Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in our previous video, we have created the Assistant AI core application, we have added the ASR capabilities, and we have also sent the text from ASR to our local LLM for processing and response. So in this video, we are looking at adding TTS capabilities, sending the LS text to the TTS engine for voice generation, and then we will replay the TTS generated audio voice file to see if the voice generated properly. So we'll tell the AI to continue with our checklist and then to complete the third, fourth, and fifth tasks that we have listed previously. Please check the checklist, check the remaining tasks, provide a detailed plan to implement the remaining tasks. Please ensure the tasks are break down into smaller detailed plans. Okay, so we forgot to give the directory, so we'll give the directory. So we have gotten the plan. You can review the plan and then decide which approach you want to go with. So here we can go with OpenAI Speech API and then server-side playback. Audio format is WAV, and then we also provide model TTS model location in audio. No, in models. Model VoxCPM2. Okay, we can proceed with this. And then we'll just let it come with the plan for the implementation. Okay, so we have gotten the plan. So you can go through the plan. If everything is okay, you can then let the AI proceed to implement this plan. So everything seems fine. So you'll change to build mode. And then we'll proceed. Okay, so it's done. Okay, before we start, we also want to load our Whisper into the CPU. Okay, so we have gotten a plan. We can choose based on your approach. So we got a plan now. We can go through them. If you are okay with it, you can then proceed with this plan. So we'll proceed. So now you're done. We can try to start our application. Okay, so now the application is running. Okay, so it's not really 000. So let me just change this to localhost. Okay, so now we have our AI running. We can do some tests. Hello, how are you? So the ASR is still working. And the LLM is also working.
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you today?
Okay, so the TTS is also working. So now maybe we can go back and check for VoxCPM2 TTS model. How do we configure the voice model? Say if we want male or female voice, emotion, or personality. So you can ask our AI how do we configure this voice model, then we'll see what it replies. Okay, so now he has given us a plan. There's multiple options you can go through. So you just go through the options provided and then decide which one you're gonna go with. So for me, I will go with A. And then I'll go with a voice preset. Let's go with female, gender, and what else can we go with? Okay, I think this is fine. So we'll go with 3. Text-based voice design. Okay, so yes, provided the plan and everything seems okay, so we can proceed. So do note that these are like the very basic configuration for the voice, right? So you can have a more detailed voice configuration. So now it's done. We'll restart our application. Okay, so now it's connected. Server is up and running. So we can try a test again. Hello, how are you? So the ASI is working. Oh, now it's sending the text to the LLM. And the LLM has responded, so it's also working. Now it's doing the TTS.
Hello, I'm doing well, thanks.
And now we have the TTS. So with this, we have also implemented TTS. So now the only thing left is the configuration of the AI assistant. So you can set up your AI assistant based on what you want. As of now, it is everything in default. So my model is running as an assistant. And then my voice is also very basic. So with this, you can actually fine-tune your model, give it a better system prompt depending on what you want your model to act as. So in this case, we are running as assistant, but if you want to do it as AI waifu, you can also give it a more detailed system prompt to configure the model to respond like AI waifu or anime waifu, depending on what you want. And then for the voice as well, so currently it's very, very basic, right? So we are just giving a gentle, calm female voices. You can fine tune the voice to your liking. So that's basically everything up to you for your configuration. But for us, so this whole AI assistant is already done from what we have planned out. The only thing remaining left is whether if you want 3D avatar or 2D avatar for your AI assistant. I mean, for AI assistant, likely you don't need, but if you are planning to create a AI waifu, then I mean, ideally you would want to have a 2D model or 3D model so you can interact with it. So in the next video, we'll look at generating our AI assistant or AI waifu image or character design in this case to design your character for your AI waifu or AI assistant. And then next, we will then implement the visual modules so that you can see your AI assistant or AI waifu on the screen. And then subsequently, we may also look into implementing motions. So that's all for this video. If you like my content, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate your support. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.